Here we go. 3, 2, look at the camera. 1. Hey everybody, Yaz here, and finally we're about to do the first ever unboxing. I'd like to welcome my friend Ryan. Ryan, it was his idea to do the unboxing, so I decided to invite him to participate. Hi Ryan.
Hello guys. I'm super excited to be here. This is the first YouTube video I've ever been in, and yeah, this is going to be great.
Awesome. We're so glad to have you. Now, I understand that you are a Twitcher.
Yes, I am a Twitch streamer.
Okay.
I just started like a few months ago.
Cool. More on that later. We're about to review the ESDDI ring light. Do you have a ring light at home?
No, I don't, but now I get to unbox one, which is basically almost the same exact thing as having one, but you just don't get to keep it, which is fine with me. As long as I get to see one, I'm perfectly fine with it.
Well, you'll see it, and maybe there'll be an opportunity for you to use it down the road.
Yeah.
Okay?
Definitely.
Okay, before we begin, I want to just go over the products that we're actually using to make this unboxing video. First, we've got a JVC 4K camera that you can see here. And the top-down camera, we're using just my regular iPhone that I put on a phone clip connected to a boom mic. For any unboxing videos, you got to have a top-down view, right?
Right.
Okay, so we're using that. As far as microphones go, Ryan and I are both hooked up to this Zoom F1 field recorder, complete with lavalier mics. You got your mic on you?
Yes, I do.
Cool. And so hopefully the sound is good and crisp. And then lastly, we've got lighting. We've got 2 umbrellas and lighting stands next to us. So, hey, this is our first crack at it.
Yeah. So
how you feeling?
Awesome.
Okay. I want to thank you for this idea, and I'm going to let you unbox and do everything. I'm just going to step back here, and while I do that, if you want to take your mask off, because we're going to socially distance. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
So, now we're going to be unboxing the ESDDI ring light. We're unboxing it now, man?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're doing it.
This is the ring light, and then this is the long box that I have no idea what's in, but we're going to find out.
I was about to ask you what's in the long box. Okay, so this is very exciting watching from afar. We have the ring light itself. This is a phone clamp. So when you set this ring light up, you may have seen this, that they're going to clamp the phone. Put your face through there. Can you see that? Yep. The phone is going to be here so that it'll, this is going to be your camera, and you will light up your own face with the ring light that's going to be in front of you. So that's how this works. Would you like to try this out?
Sure. Let's get this practically set up, and let's just turn it on and see how it looks.
Okay, we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I know this is a dark video. Ryan, are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here's your power cable. Here's your power switch. Right here, bring your finger in. Count it down, go.
3, 2, 1. That's bright.
That looks awesome.
It looks awesome. Then
wow.
we can also change it to like a different color.
Okay, there's a warm light, there's a cool light.
There's like an in-between.
Mm-hmm.
So, this is really awesome.
And what's this one do?
That's the dimmer. So,
go slow, go gentle. Okay.
It only does about there, but
sweet.
Everything else, yeah.
So this is great. I really like the warm light and the cool light.
Yeah, just like right in the middle.
Sets the mood. Yep,
yeah.
Totally. Okay, so we got your phone in there. Now we're going to give this a quick try. All right, be right back. Ready? 2, 1.
Hi guys, we are back, and we just finished setting everything up. We got my phone hooked up to the ring lamp, which you can see through my glasses if you're pretty good at it. And then I have rings in my eyes. So then we have the side view.
Wait, do you see rings in my eyes?
Yes, I do. And we have the side view, and then we have the upright view. And so, yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. Either though, it's going to be so cool. It's going to be used so much in this class, especially when 8th graders come in and when they get to use all the equipment
you can definitely sign up for my elective, my video production elective. This ring light was purchased on Amazon. Very quick, very easy, very inexpensive. It's the ESDDI 18-inch ring light. Came with all the equipment that you saw. We're set up, we're using it in just seconds. Hey, do you want to promote your Twitch stream?
So my Twitch name will be linked down in the description. It's RyGuyHunter690 if anyone wants to come watch.
What games do you play?
The games I play are Rocket League, Minecraft, and Fortnite.
Okay, plug it one more time. What's the Twitch?
My Twitch is RyGuyHunter690.
Slower.
RyGuyHunter690.
All right, we'll put that on the screen down below. Ryan, I just want to say thanks, man, for the great idea.
Yeah.
And I'm glad you can be part of it.
Yeah.
And we'll see how this thing does, okay?
Yeah, awesome.
All right, brother, go Browns.
Yes, go Browns. Chiefs are going to get the butts clap, butts clap, butts clap.